Okay, next. A, B, and C, D are two buildings of height h and h respectively. The angle of elevation of A from C and D are theta and 45 degrees respectively. Um, Find the height h. Okay, so meron daw building pinangalanan na A, B, and C, D. So yung A at B, ano yun? Yung bali line segment ito na ang dulo A and B. Kaya lang kailangan natin i-drawing. Ang sabi kasi doon sa pangalawang statement, yung angle of elevation daw ng A mula sa C at sa D, meron, no? Ibig sabihin, kung iisipin, mas mataas itong A. Okay, ito yung top, no? So, parang ganito. So, bali lumalabas, ito yung B, ito yung A. Tapos yung C tsaka D, somewhere dito. So, if we will follow the same logic, ito yung B, ito yung C. So, ito yung building, ano? Ay, C pala. Okay? So ibig sabihin, mas mataas yung A kasi nga meron siyang angle of elevation sa C and sa D. No? So sa C, ang angle of elevation niya ay theta. Tapos sa D naman, 45 degrees. Okay, tapos yung height ng AB ay H, ang height ng C ay small letter h. So pinapahanap lang yung capital H and in terms of um, small letter h. Okay? So to solve this, gawa lang tayo ng mga triangles. So first, we can have this triangle, right triangle. Na so from that right triangle, we can write, tawagin lang natin ito na ano, total, wala namang binigay, yung distance na tawagin na lang natin na x. No? So from that triangle, yung blue, we can write tangent of theta is equal to, itong height na to is just h minus small h over x. Okay, and then we can create another right triangle from here. Ayan. So, tangent of 45 degrees is equal to capital H over x. Well, yung tangent 45, di ba 1, no? So, lumalabas lang dito, x is equal to capital H. So, therefore, from here, pag sinabshoot ko to dito, no? So, I will have tangent of theta is equal to capital H minus H over capital H, and we just need to solve for capital H. So that gives us H tangent theta pag in-cross multiply. And then, transpose natin small letter h sa kabila. Tapos, transpose naman natin capital H tangent theta sa kabila. And then, we can now factor out capital H. Okay, and therefore, our capital H is H over 1 minus tangent theta. So, this will be our answer, letter C. Okay, so that's how we solve that problem.